Okay, then smart grid projects in Odisha. Okay, then in which we have to need this whole smart grid projects can be controlled under Odisha government. Okay, then also this whole system is depends on Odisha district, and also in Odisha district 60 percentage funding use in smart grid projects. Also this project involves implementation of latest project techniques and also using advanced technology in smart grid projects. And also this whole smart grid projects can be withstand to enable with very high speed cyclone, and in which the wind speed up to 350 kilometer per hour. Okay, then also in Odisha smart grid projects can be controlled with the help of power supply and would be made through underground and over ground cable. Also, these smart grid projects can be insulated with the help of gas, and this project can be controlled with the help of PLC automation control. Then this project is divided into two packages. Package 1 it deals with 132 kilovolt substation work, and package 2 deals with 32 kilovolt substation work, 11 kV substation work, and LT network work. Then this is the whole information about Odisha smart grid project. Also in which Chhatrapur smart grid pilot project, and this project is totally depends on consumer, and in which use 500 5800 consumer, and this 500 consumer is being taken up with state government funding at Chhatrapur in Odisha. Now this is the concept of, or this is the brief information regarding Chhatrapur smart grid pilot project. Then next is battery energy storage demonstration projects in India. Okay, then in which we have to need different types of batteries, and these batteries are connected to the grid and storage energy in the form of DC charge. Also in which we have to need lithium ion batteries, also need lead acid battery, also flow batteries and sodium sulfur battery, and the capacity of battery is 500 kilovolt and 250 kilowatt hour. Now this is the battery energy storage demonstration projects in India. Then Kolkata Electric Supply Corporation Limited. Okay, then this whole supply corporation limited is under prepared by Tetra Tech and Ista International. Okay, then also this whole corporation limited can be controlled with the help of power quality improvement and reliability, and this electric supply corporation limited under control SCADA system, data management system and energy management system, and whole system can be controlled with the help of communication infrastructure for advanced metering infrastructure and distribution automation. Then also in which use smart meters and advanced metering infrastructure to improve the quality of the electric supply. Okay, now this is the other smart grid pilot projects in India. Okay, then next point is present status of Government of India approved smart grid pilot projects in India. Then first in Telangana industrial area Jidimetla, then in which this is the present status of the Telangana. Then Assam in Guwahati region. Then Karnataka Mysore in Mysore. Okay. Then Chhattisgarh Siltara Urla area of the Raipur district. Then Puducherry division first of Puducherry in which need electricity department. Then Himachal Pradesh in Kalamba. Then this project awarded by yes Alstom TND, and total cost of the project is depends on project work. Then Jaipur, then regulatory commission approve awaited. Then Kerala for select distribution section office and control over the geographical area of the Kerala. Then Maharashtra in Baramati town project has been cancelled. Then Punjab Industrial Division City Circle Amritsar. Then Tripura Electrical Division number 1. Then Gujarat Naroda of the Sabarmati Circle and Disa of the Palanpur Circle. Then Haryana Panipat City Subdivision, and West Bengal in Darjeeling district. Also, in smart grid pilot projects in India, in which we have to need advanced metering infrastructure and demand response. Then in which we have to need consumer and their utility. Then next is advanced metering infrastructure and demand side management. Then end consumer and utility personnel. Then outage management via signal transmission messaging unit and AMI. Then in which we have to need utility personnel. Then utility renewable energy integration via forecasting applications and advanced metering infrastructure for utility personnel, and in which we have to need different software applications, demand response for grid security. Then wide area monitoring system. Then distributed renewable energy integration via advanced metering infrastructure. Then in which we have to need distribution utility for, because consumer participant in generation through rooftop solar power or small windmill. And last one is the power quality management via IED devices, that is intelligent electronic devices, using utility for dashboard of the power quality. Now this is the functions and delivery of the smart grid pilot projects in India. Okay, now this is the Hyderabad smart grid pilot projects in India, in which we have to need population, area, number of substation, number of feeders include station capacity MUA, then number of DTR total capacity in MUA, then distribution line details, then AT and C loss average for the area, then total consumer, connected load, peak load, input energy, build energy, and revenue of the collection. Now this is the Hyderabad smart grid pilot projects in India. Then also in which we have to need interruption duration, price, losses, efficiency, reduction in consumer monthly electricity bill, peak reduction, LT and ST ratio, and equipment failure. These are the very important key points in Hyderabad smart grid pilot projects in India. Now this is the architecture of Hyderabad smart grid pilot projects in India. This whole project can be controlled with the help of SCADA system, and this SCADA system can be controlled with the help of GSM and GPRS system. Okay, now this is the Puducherry smart grid pilot projects in India, can be controlled with the help of feeder, circuit breaker, also communicate with wireless network, also require DCU, that is data collector unit, transformer monitoring unit, that is TMU, then also require smart meters, then advanced metering infrastructure, also require outage management system, and this whole system can be controlled with the help of SCADA system, that is supervisory control and data acquisition system. Now this is the whole concept and whole brief introduction about Puducherry Smart Grid pilot projects in India. Now this is the supervisory control and data acquisition control center in Puducherry. And then next point is Indian experience with smart grid applications, and in which we have to need introduction of AMI, advanced metering infrastructure. And advanced metering infrastructure is a remote control device and regular control device. It gives better performance and more reliable. Then this EMI is gives better electricity consumption reading. Also require, it gives to real time monitoring system. Then also give peak load management and management of dynamic tariff. Okay. Then also it gives smart grid enabling of remote connect and disconnect that facilities to individual group, individual consumer and group of consumer. Then in smart grid application we have to need implementation of outage management system. Also require integration of distribution generation. Then main function of smart grid application is improve the power quality and reliability of the whole system. Also require, this reliability can be controlled with the help of power supply. And also require network control management. Then next point is what is smart city and how it will be works. Then smart city is depends on quality of life, clean and sustainable environment, and in which we have to use smart devices to easy to control equipment. Now this whole system is called as smart city, and this smart city is depends on wireless internet connectivity. That means all applications can be controlled with the help of wireless internet connectivity, that is Wi-Fi, GSM. Then this whole system can be controlled with the help of network, and this city is called as smart city, and this smart city will be work on the wireless network.